Hello and welcome to Nidhi Group. After the successful installation and calibration, now your system is ready to use. This video is about the demonstration of Nidhi Flow 814. Let's start the demonstration process. At first, switch on the printer and put a fresh paper in the printer. By gently pushing it, it will automatically adjust in the printer. As you can observe here, by using this switch given on the printer, you can adjust the paper as per your convenience. Then switch on the module and system ready LED will glow. Now you can instruct the patient to start void. Please note that do not touch the beaker and weight transducer during voiding process. When patient starts voiding, the voiding start LED will glow. Then wait for 30 seconds after voiding process ends. And printing start LED will glow and graph printing begins. Repeat copy of graph can be generated in both the scales 10 ml per second per division and 5 ml per second per division. Nidhi Flow 814 shows graphical representation of flow rate versus time. 10 ml per second per division is the default scale setting. To generate the repeat copy, first check the system ready LED, then put a fresh paper in the printer and press 5 ml switch or 10 ml switch as per your requirement. Nidhi Flow 814 also has an auto time scaling function. As you can observe in the lower graph, it can record the flow rate and volume up to 300 seconds. The hesitancy option is available to measure the involuntary delay in initiating urination. Nidhi Flow 814 displays parameter of volume, time and flow rate as per ICS standards. Hesitancy displays the time between patient's sensation of urination and actual voiding of urination. To use the hesitancy option, check the system ready LED first, then press hesitancy switch when patient has sensation of urination. Nidhi Flow 814 also shows beaker full indication when beaker is almost full up to 1750 ml, so you do not need to empty the beaker after every case. When you want to empty the beaker, first switch off the module, then take the beaker from the weight transducer and keep the empty beaker on the weight transducer. So here we have completed with the demonstration of Nidhi Flow 814. Thank you so much for watching this.